Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to teach you one problem of lead code. Okay, so the question is analyze a string. Okay, so if you have any string like s equals to Nidhi, s equals to hello, like that. Okay, so in this string you need to count how much how many counts vowels has, and consonant how many count vowels constant not constant consonant count of consonants. So we need to count vowels and consonant in a string and in any of a string. Okay, so and print the result in JSON format. Okay, so I need to take a string. Okay, so s equals to hello. So first of all I need to create a define count vowel and consonants. Define vowel and consonants. Okay, so here I took some argument as. Okay, so here I need to take vowels as a variable vowels. In this I need to put a I o u, a I o u e. Okay, in capital letter also, that it will manage small and capital a I o u e. Okay, after that vowel count. Vowel count. Okay, after that consonant count equals to 0. So this is the initial state. I took a vowel count equals to 0 and consonant count equals to 0. So first of all I need to apply for loop for C as in S. Okay, so if you have any s equals to any string like a hello. Okay, hello, then hello. So for ch in s. Okay, so we need to do it like that. Ch equals to h, ch equals to e, ch equals to l. So it iterate 5 times. Okay, so ch equals to l, ch equals to l, ch equals to O. So here this is the loop for this. Okay, after that if ch dot is alpha. So if you have like at the rate, minus, plus, or any space, any question mark in your string, then it will ignore. So that's we need to write like that. If ch dot is alpha, so this will ignore space, stop bars, or whatever you have in string. Okay, if ch in vowel. So this is the code, guys. Automatically Google Colab give automatically. If ch in vowels, then vowel count plus equals to 1. Okay, else consonant count uh, okay, so if ch in vowels. Okay, so what is our ch equals to our first ch equals to our h. So we need to check h is the h present in this variable vowels equals to. So no, this is not present here, so this condition will fail. If ch in vowels, so this condition will fail. So this condition will be true. So constant equals to 1. Okay, so h equals to h our constant. Okay, after that loop again iterate, and we took ch equals to e. So we need to check here, e is present here, yes it present here. So we will check this condition. If ch in vowels, then it round, it need to write vowels count equals to 1. Okay, after that same we can do for l or o. Okay, so here I mean constant equals to 3 and vowels equals to 2. E or o is in this way. E and o is, goes in this loop, and h and ll will follow this condition. Okay, so after that I need to write result in dictionary. Okay, so here mm, result equals to dictionary. Okay, so here I copy this. Okay, this is for key and value in the dictionary format. Okay, after that I need to return dictionary into the JSON format, because we want result in a JSON format. Okay, return JSON dot dumps. Here I need to pass result and indent equals to 4. Indent are used because we want a result in a pretty format, so this will give result in pretty form. Okay, and after that we need to print it. Print this one. Okay, so this is s for string, this one hello. So this is the hello. This is for example, guys. You don't need to write this. So here I need to import. Okay, guys, now you can see vowels count equals to t and consonant count equals to 3. I think you got it. So this is our code. Okay, so first of all I need to import JSON, because we want result in a JSON format, and this is the function for count vowels and consonant as equals to like parameter or argument, like as equals to hello, Nidhi, whatever you want to take. Okay, so vowel equals to, I need to write a variable vowel equals to I define all vowels, and vowel count equals to 0, consonant count equals to 0 for ch in s. Okay, so this is for like a string ch, I mean for iterating the character, this one. And this loop for like if you have any space, comma, full stop, for stop bars it ignore. And this is for vowels. If ch in vowel, then it need to write this condition, vowel count plus equals to 1. Okay, so it will go here and check and return. And if this condition fail, then this condition will execute, and we restore here our result in a dictionary format. And after that our result be convert in JSON format. Okay, so this is our result. ओके गाइस, थैंक यू, टेक केयर। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। ओके, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।